So friends, this is the Moto G06 Power, and here I'm going to share my experience after living 30 days with the Moto G06. At first, let's check even its box content. Here it will get the mobile phone, and there you will get the manual guide and pin ejector. Let's keep this on the side, and there you will get the adapter, which is 20 watt or 10 watt, 10 to 20 watt, and here is the USB Type-C cable wire. Let's keep this two on the side. Before I move to share my experience here, I would like to talk its features. Friends, if you look at the display here, it's the 6.88 inch HD plus LCD, and its refresh rate is the 120 Hz refresh rate, and you know that it has the Gorilla Glass on the screen. And if we look at the processor, it's the MediaTek Helio G81 and 12nm octa-core. And if we look at the RAM and storage of this mobile phone, the RAM is the 4GB LPDDR4X up to 12GB total with RAM boost. Its storage is the 64GB or 128GB. It's expandable up to 1 TB via micro SD card. And friends, its battery, if you look at the battery of Moto G06 Power, it's the 7000 mAh battery, and it supports the 18 watt charging, or you can say 20 watt charger in the box. And its main camera, it's the 50 megapixel AI camera. It's a quad pixel technology, and its selfie camera is the 8 megapixel front camera. And if we talk about the software of Moto G06 Power, its software is the Android 15 Helio UI, and its network is the 4G Volt dual SIM, supports no 5G, and its durability is the IP64 water and dust resistant. And if you look at the audio of this mobile phone, it's the Dolby Atmos, and its sensor is the fingerprint, face unlock, NFC, 3.5 mm jack on the side. You can get this 3.5 mm jack, and there you will get the power up and down button, and there speaker and charge point and mic point, their SIM card. My observation after the 30 days of use, the charging time, because the battery is so huge, a full charge 0 to 100% takes nearly 3 hours. It's best to charge it overnight. And its performance, it's excellent for daily apps like WhatsApp, YouTube, or browsing. However, it's not a gaming phone. Heavy games like BGMI will lack on high settings. And the screen quality, the 120 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling very smooth, but since it's only the HD plus resolution, the screen isn't as sharp as more expensive like 1080p phones. And if we look at the weight of this mobile phone, it's the 220 gram, and it feels quite solid and heavy in the hand compared to standard phones. You can buy this phone if your daily usage involves 70% of browsing, calls, and 30% of media. This phone is a 10 to 10 value, and if your usage involves 50% of gaming, then it's a 5 point of 10. And if you are a student, a delivery professional, or someone who travels a long distance without a charger, then this is the best phone under 8000. However, if you are a gamer or need 5G speeds, then this is not the right choice for you. And this mobile phone proves to be the ultimate stamina king for budget users. It's easily delivering a 3-day battery life that practically eliminates the charging anxiety. And while the 7000 mAh battery and premium wagon leather designs make it feel more expensive than its the 7499 price tag, the phone is clearly built for utility rather than the speed. The 120 Hz display offers smooth scrolling, but the Helio G81 chip and 18 watt slow charging mean you will need patience for heavy tasks and long plug-in sessions. Ultimately, if you prioritize a clean and free Android 15 experience and a phone that refuses to die during long work days or travel, then this is a phenomenal value. Just don't expect it to be gaming beast or a 5G speedster. So friends, this is all about the Moto G06 Power. Before the Moto G06, I also reviewed the Moto G57 Power, Moto G85 and the Redmi F4 5G. So make sure to check those out on my channel. And if you want to see a specific camera test or a charging time lapse, let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.